If you've been trying to figure out how people are actually finding PointsBet promo codes in 2026 and why it sometimes feels like everyone else has access to hidden bonuses while you're stuck seeing nothing useful, then this is going to clear things up in a simple, realistic way without the confusion, hype, or outdated tricks floating around online. So here's the truth right from the start. There is no single magic code that unlocks guaranteed free money every time. What actually exists is a combination of official promos, limited time offers, partner deals, and sometimes location-based or account-based bonuses that get labeled as promo codes even when they don't function like traditional coupon codes. And once you understand how the system works, it becomes a lot easier to consistently find the best available offers instead of chasing random codes that don't work. Now, when people talk about PointsBet promo codes, they're usually referring to sign-up bonuses, deposit matches, risk-free bets, or special event promotions tied to sports seasons like the NFL, NBA, Premier League, or major tournaments. These offers are primarily controlled by the platform itself, meaning the most reliable place to find them is not random websites or comment sections, but the official sign-up pages and verified promotions directly tied to PointsBet. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming promo codes are widely available like discount codes for shopping apps. In reality, most sportsbooks operate on targeted promotions. That means two people in different regions or even two new users signing up at different times might see completely different bonuses. So if you're searching for working PointsBet promo code 2026 and not finding anything consistent, it's not because you're missing something obvious. It's because these offers are not designed to be universal in the first place. The first real method to finding active promo codes is checking the official PointsBet website or app during sign-up. Most of the time, the best offers are automatically applied when you create a new account through a promotional link. Instead of typing in a code manually, you'll often see something like get $200 in bonus bets when you sign up and deposit $X, and that offer is already attached to the registration page. In many cases, there isn't even a field for a promo code because the system already tracks where you came from. Now here's something most beginners don't realize. A lot of promo codes are actually tied to marketing partnerships. That means influencers, sports websites, and affiliate pages sometimes have access to special tracking links that unlock better deals than what's publicly shown on the homepage. So when you see someone online saying, use this PointsBet promo code, what they're usually giving you is not just a code, but a tracked sign-up link that activates a specific welcome bonus. Another important source is email and push notifications. If you already have an account, PointsBet often sends targeted offers directly to users based on their activity. These can include reload bonuses, free bet credits, or odds boosts for specific games. Many users ignore these emails or notifications, but this is actually where some of the most valuable promotions show up because they're personalized rather than public. You also want to pay attention to sports seasons and big events. Sportsbooks tend to release stronger promotions during high traffic periods like the Super Bowl, NBA playoffs, Champions League knockout stages, or opening weeks of major leagues. During these times, promo codes or bonus offers become more frequent and more competitive because platforms are trying to attract new users who are already interested in betting on those events. Social media is another place where people often find promo codes, but you have to be careful here. There are legitimate offers shared by official accounts or verified partners, and then there are outdated or fake codes that circulate in comment sections. The safest approach is to only trust links or codes that redirect you to an official PointsBet landing page. If a code is real, it will always apply automatically or show the bonus clearly before you deposit. Now let's talk about how to actually identify a working promo code versus one that is dead. A valid code or offer will always show confirmation before you complete registration or deposit. You'll see something like bonus activated or eligible for welcome offer. If you enter a code and nothing changes on the page, that usually means it's expired or not valid in your region. There's no hidden activation trick beyond that. Another method people overlook is comparison browsing. Different affiliate websites sometimes promote different versions of the same bonus. One site might offer a deposit match, while another offers risk-free bets. Even though they all relate to PointsBet promotions, the structure can vary. So instead of searching for just one promo code, it's smarter to compare what different official partners are currently offering and choose the one that gives you the most value based on your betting style. If you're already an existing user, finding promo codes becomes slightly different. You won't usually get sign-up bonuses again, but you can still access reload bonuses or special event offers. These are often found in the Promotions tab of the app or through emails. Some users also receive opt-in offers, where you activate a promotion before placing a bet, such as enhanced odds or cashback on losses up to a certain amount. It's also worth understanding that sportsbooks like PointsBet design promotions to encourage activity over time, not just at sign-up. That's why the best long-term strategy is not chasing random promo codes every day, but actually staying active in checking the promotions section and making sure you're opted into offers when they appear. Another hidden trick is location awareness. Some promo codes or bonuses are only available in specific regions due to regulations. That's why two users searching the same thing online might get completely different results. If you don't see a promo code that others are talking about, it may simply not be available in your state or country at that time. Now, let's break down a simple way to consistently stay ahead without wasting time searching random sites. First, always start with the official PointsBet app or website before signing up anywhere else. Second, look for welcome offer rather than just promo code, because most bonuses are not code-based anymore. Third, follow verified sports betting deal pages or newsletters that update offers daily. And finally, check your email after sign-up, because that's where personalized codes and boosts often appear. Something else worth mentioning is timing. Many people sign up randomly during the off-season and then complain that the offers are weak. But sportsbooks adjust bonuses based on demand. If you sign up right before a major sporting event, you're more likely to get stronger promotional incentives because competition among sportsbooks increases. And if you've already used a promo in the past and are wondering if you can reuse codes, the answer is usually no for welcome offers. However, you can still qualify for ongoing promotions, loyalty rewards, and seasonal bonuses. The key is understanding that the system is built around continuous engagement, not one-time coupon usage. At the end of the day, finding PointsBet promo codes in 2026 is less about hunting secret codes and more about knowing where the real offers are actually released. Once you stop relying on random search results and focus on official channels, partner links, and in-app promotions, you'll notice you're no longer missing anything important. So instead of chasing outdated codes, focus on timing your sign-up correctly, using verified promotional links, checking the app regularly, and staying updated during major sports events. That's where the real value is. And once you understand how all of this works together, you stop looking for hidden codes and start recognizing that the best promotions were never hidden in the first place. They were just structured differently than most people expect when they first start searching.